Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add bullet points to your posts and comments on LinkedIn. So let us guide you through this. So guys, this works for posts you publish on your home feed or for example for already published posts. So let me go with a post I have already published by clicking into these three dots here and select edit post here. So guys, that's the field where you can edit or type in your text. So I would like to add, let's say, to the next line, a bulleted list. This is how you can do it, guys. There is unfortunately no way how you can add a bulleted point or bulleted list from these, from the text formatting or customization on LinkedIn directly. So we will need to use a bullet point generator online. So I'm using that one here for demonstration purposes. What you want to do is simply type in your text here, and the given text will be automatically transferred or converted into a bulleted list to the right. Press enter to skip to the next line, and so on and so forth. So we get 3 of these bullet points, and that's basically it. Now after that, simply click into copy result here, or you may simply highlight it, press Ctrl C, navigate back to your post, and press Ctrl V to add the bulleted point to your list, and that's basically it. You may of course press space or enter to create gaps between these bulleted points as if you'd like. However, guys, I will leave it at that. And that's how to do it. Don't forget to click into save, and that is going to change and edit your or save your edits, as you can see, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.